Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a full backup of your game assets so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the Geometry-install or App Data folder and find the Resources or Files directory. You must verify the texture pack contents, images, audio, and any mapping JSON, match the game's expected file names and sizes. This prevents missing textures. Make sure the game is closed before changing files. Otherwise, changes won't stick or could corrupt running data. Now you perform the replacement step by step. First, compare file names and folder structure. If the pack uses different names, rename them to match the originals so the engine can load them. Next, copy the new PNG and OGG files into the resources folder. Use copy, not move, so you keep backups. If there's a JSON mapping file, place it where the game expects it. Once copied, validate file sizes and formats to reduce runtime errors before launching. Finally, you launch the game and inspect levels and menus for any missing or distorted textures. If you see placeholders or crashes, close the game and restore your backup copy, then recheck file names and PNG encodings. Some packs need standard RGBA or specific compression. If audio stutters, verify OGG codec compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip: if a texture fails to appear, resave it in a basic image editor and overwrite the file. That often fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.